Tell me you are sad, frustrated, and depressed without telling me you are. When I tell you there are a lot of mad people on social media, this is one of them. A backstory here. So a few days ago, I posted one of my hair video when I was making my hair. This person dropped a hate comment on that video. I had to delete it. She said, being broke has brought out my hidden talent. At some point, that statement hit me. I had to dust it and delete the comment immediately. This video I'm making wouldn't have been in existence if this fool did not come back to my DM and drop this vomit again. Look, I understand that you are depressed and bitter, but please, I am not the cause of your misfortune and difficulties. I can bet that this person is either my ex or something. Oga, move on now. What's happened? I just don't understand social media people. If someone posts something and the shoe fits you, just express your frustration and misfortune in the comment section. Don't go to that person's DM. Look, this one that you have done, you have messed up with the wrong person. I promise you. On that account, I'll comment again because I have blocked this one. What I will do to you, you will regret ever coming across my video on your FYP. You fool.